Welcome to the accessories selection video for the rapidly detachable table for your horizontal-vertical combination bandsaw. To understand the accessories for the rapid detachable table, it will be helpful to understand the universal accessories mount. The universal accessories mount consists of some threaded holes, a top front and bottom front dado, and a flange clamping design. Each of the accessories uses some of these standard attachment points on the rapidly detachable table. Some of the accessories can stay attached while the rapid detachable system is used to remove and install the table. The view is a little distorted in this image, but this is an attempt to display the sandwich joint used to make a strong connection between the RDT and the RDT extension accessory. This is another view of the RDT extension accessory before it is attached and after it is attached. This is a top view of the RDT installed with the RDT extension accessory. Note the adjustment mechanism for the leg in the left front of the extension. Here we have the RDT V guide unattached from the bottom and attached from the top view. This is a view of the V guide attached to an installed RDT. Note that the optional leveler is also installed in this picture. This is the X vents unattached to the universal accessories mount, attached in the bottom view and top view, finally on an installed RDT. Rather than trying to explain the accessories, here are some video clips of common jobs.